Welcome to One. Increase productivity, automate tasks and reduce your manual effort using your app on One. This quick tour will show you a set of functions One offers, and it won't take more than 4 minutes. Let us start with setting up your app. Click on the Set Up App button here and complete your profile. You can add your logo, email address, website details and more. In the next screen, set up the opening hours of your business. If you are open at specific times, select the days and set up the time. Else keep your app as always open. Choose the privacy level for your app. You can either have a public profile, where anyone can connect with your app, or you can choose a private profile with restricted access. I am selecting private. Click on the Save button below and your app is ready. There are 4 icons in the navigation bar in the bottom of the screen. The first one, Wall, is where all your activity will show. The second icon, Applets, is where you will find all function for your business. Based on the business you select during the app setup process, all features relevant to that specific business are loaded here. If you want more applets, you can click on the plus button in the Applets screen and explore individual applets. The Users tab is where you will see all the users connected with you. You can also create groups and assign admins to your app from the screen itself. Your users could be students, teachers, employees, members, patients or customers, based on the type of business you run. Invite users to connect to your app using 4 types of invitations. You can invite through social media, WhatsApp, from your phone book, or even send an SMS invitation. Use the Admin tab to invite your colleagues or members who will help you in managing the app. There are 2 levels of admin access apart from the owner level access. You can provide full or partial access to your admins. The Groups tab here allows you to create any number of groups with unlimited users. If you have invited users and they have joined your app, let us start using the app by creating your first post. Are you ready to start exploring?